Hello friends, welcome to NoteKode. Today's topic is Java Array. In this session, we will be discussing about the concept and feature of Java Array along with practical Java code example. Let's start. What is an array? Array is an indexed collection of homogeneous data element that is fixed in size. Here, three terms: index collection, homogeneous data, and fixed in size. What is the meaning of index-based collection? Indexed collection means every element stored in array has some specific index position, and the counting of index is start with 0. Homogeneous data means similar type of data. Like if we are storing the integer data, we can only take integer values. We cannot take any character value. And if we are storing the character data, then we can take only character value, not any integer value. Means data should be homogeneous. Fixed in size. If the array is created, its size cannot be changed. Now, let's see the generic syntax of array creation. Data type array of x equal to new data type of size. For example, if we are storing the integer type of data, then integer array of x equal to new integer 5. Here I am taking the length of array is 5. And if we are storing the character data, the syntax is like this. Here you observe, while creating the array, we use the new keyword. In Java, when we use the new keyword is used for object creation. It means Java array is also an object. Point to note, Java array is an object. Here I am creating an array of size 5. I'm storing some integer value, let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Here, the length of array is 5. We declaring with x is an integer type variable, so int type variable x. I'm writing the index position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here the element 1, 2, these are the indexes. So here you can see one thing. The first element of array is stored at 0th index position. The second element of array is stored at first index position. The third element of array is stored at second index position. What is the conclusion? Means The maximum index value should not be greater than the length of the array. Otherwise, it will give the array index out of bound exception. Here we understand how to store elements in an array. And now we discuss what is the advantage and disadvantage of array. Advantage. Array is easily access the element in any location. As you all aware that array is index-based collection. It means it is easily accessible. Data retrieval cost is there. If the array element data is easily accessible, it means cost is less. Disadvantage. Fixed size. Size of array cannot be changed. Now, we discuss about how to declare, how to instantiate, and how to initialize an array in Java. Array declaration, instantiation, and initialization. Array declaration. Here I am storing the integer type data. So the expression like this, int array of x. X represents the element of array, or int data type because we are storing the integer type of data. Array instantiation. So for array creation, we use new keyword. So x equal to new int of 3. Here I am taking the length of array is 3. Point to note. You must declare the size of array at the time of array creation. Otherwise, it will throw the compile time error. Array initialization. In this section, we are assigning the values like x of 0 equal to 10, x of 1 equal to 20, x of 2 equal to 30. We can also represent it with a single line. How it happened? Let's see. Point to note, int array of x equal to within curly braces assigning the value 10, 20, 30. Here the left part is the declaration part and the right part is included both instantiation and initialization. So here in both way you can declare, instantiate and initialize your array. Here I am creating a class. Let's say array test. Class is created. Now first, we have to declare our array. I am declaring my array. So what is the syntax like? Let's say here I am storing the integer type of data. So int array of x, that is the declaration part. Now we have to instantiate our array. I am creating my array. So how to create an array? With the use of new keyword. X equal to new int, and at the time of array creation we must declare the size of array. Let's I'm taking the size here 5. Now we have to initialize our array. I am initializing my array. So let's see. I'm initializing the zeroth index element with 10 value, and similarly the first index value is for 20, second say 30, third one say 40, and fourth one say 50. So this way we declare, create, and initialize our array. Now I want to take the output. So I want to tell you, when we know the number of iterations in advance, then which loop is most suitable for the iteration? That is for loop or for each loop. In arrays, the size is fixed. It means we already know that how many times the loop will be executed. So I'm using the for loop for printing the output here. For int of I to 0, next print statement. So I just save this and run. You can see the output is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We can also use the for each loop here. Comment this. I'm using the for each loop. Or int I in x. Print statement. I save this and run. So this way you can declare, you can create, you can initialize, and find the desired output in array. We can also do the same thing with single line statement. Let's see. Removing all this and writing here int array of x equal to within curly braces, assigning the value 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So let's save this. For printing we use for each loop, and the output is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So you can use both the single line statement or the first one, what you prefer. Let's move forward. Let's discuss about the types of array. In Java, there are two types of arrays: single dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. What is single dimensional array? The array that is traversing in a single dimension is known as single dimensional array. Int array of x. This is the syntax to declare single dimensional array. Here we use only one square bracket, means that is single dimension. Char array of x, if we are storing the character data. Int array of x equal to new int of 5. This is the syntax for creating a single dimensional array. And this is the syntax for initializing the single dimensional array. Now let's move forward. Multidimensional array. What is multidimensional array? The array that traverses more than one dimension is known as multidimensional array. That is also known as matrix form. Syntax for declaring multidimensional array. Here, while declaring, we are using two square brackets. Syntax for declaring three-dimensional array. Here we are using 3 dimensions. Syntax for creating two-dimensional array. Syntax for creating three-dimensional array. Syntax for initializing two-dimensional array. Let's understand this with code. Now, we have to declare the two-dimensional array. Int array of x. Now, we have to create x equal to new int. Here I am giving the size, let's say 2 and 2. Now we have to initialize this array. X, this the first value is 10, and it is the 0 position. 0 position. Similarly, so this way we declare our two-dimensional array, we create our two-dimensional array, and we initialize our two-dimensional array. So for printing, we are using for loop here. For int of I equal 0, I and x dot and since it is two-dimensional, so we have to use one more for loop for the dimension for the another dimension. For int of here I am taking the j and stop and plus. So for printing, I'm taking the print statement x of yes I and j. Let's save and run. Here you can see the output is 10, 10, 10 because I'm taking the same data. Just change this 20, 30, and 40. So that is printing like this. Let's take another example. Declaring with single line statement. Yes, I'm taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 30, 60, any random number, 90. Let's save this and run. Here you can see the output 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 30, 60, 90. We can also print like this for some better clarity. Yes. Print space, and here I'm writing one more statement like this. Oh, just a minute. Control F. Here you go. The output is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 30, 60, 90. That is same what we creating. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates.